Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use paid VPN for 2 months for free. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the internet browser and then write avast secure line VPN. Okay. Download it. First of all, you have to download avast free antivirus. Then you can download avast secure line free VPN, and you can see that there is unlimited proxy. I can change location into Australia, Malaysia, Mexico, Australia, Belgium, Netherlands, and many of this. Like you wanted UK and USA, we can choose as 16 up to. I want to show you how many days I can use this subscription. So my subscription, click on it, 47 days left. So I just subscribe. Why and how I subscribe to this? So this is the question. I subscribe by the card, by the Master or Visa card. So when it's 2 months completed, you can cancel the subscription, and you can also again do another subscription. Okay, you can use your card again for this subscription. You can use 2 months for free. This is good for proxy. You can see my IP address. What is my IP.uno, and I have connected to United States, Los Angeles, and here it is, Los Angeles, California, United States. It's my IP 57, and you can see 157.68. So hope you like this video. Like and follow for more.